Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to go back, or actually basically scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone at the top. Now we have to choose from two different, or actually three different albums in which we've got pre-installed ringtones. So we've got classic and nature one, and right here we've got something which is called on this device. And basically after entering it you can open your own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, then it should appear somewhere here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. Let's go back and let me choose something from pre-installed ringtones. So I'll pick nature. So now we've got the list of all ringtones. So all you have to do is to tap on it and listen. Listen how it sounds and decide whether you like it or not. So this is how it works. So let's pretend I'd like to set this forest morning as my ringtone. So just tap on it and make sure that it is marked and then go back. No kind of confirmation is needed. Let's go back again, and as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.